Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn how to solve multi-step equations containing fractions. Before we're gonna start, let's go ahead, pause the video and give you a try. Okay, let's get started. Now, the first step you need to know when you solve multi-step equation containing fraction is try to eliminate the denominator, right? So look at this one. You see that denominator is 2 right here. Alright, you need to eliminate this one. In order to eliminate denominator, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Okay? So I'm going to multiply this one by 2. And I'm going to multiply this guy by 2. Right? So I have what? 2 and 2 right here cancel out. Okay? So I have 3 left. So it should be 3 times 3s plus 5. Right, I'm going to draw a line right here. Okay, equal what? Negative 24 multiplied by 2 is going to be negative 48. Alright, now the equation becomes easier. Okay, now I just distribute this one. Right, distribute this. So it turns out to be 3 times 3s is going to be 9s. 3 times 5 is going to be 15, so plus 15 equal negative 48. Now this is two-step equation, okay? So you subtract 15 both sides. Subtract 15 both sides. Alright, if you don't know how to solve multi-step equation, two-step equation, and one-step equation, please watch the previous video about this, okay? Right. So this guy and this guy cancel out. So I have 3s left right here equal negative 48 minus 15 is going to be negative 63. Okay. Now inverse of multiplication is division. So I divide both sides by 9. So my answer 9 and 9 cancel out. I have s right here equal negative 7. And this is my answer. Alright, the second one right here. I see that the bottom right here 4 and 3 right here. So I have two numbers. I need to find the common denominator of 4 and 3. Okay, I need to find the least common denominator. So least common denominator of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, so I multiply both sides by 12. Okay, multiply both sides by 12. Because I have LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, I multiply both sides by 12. So when I multiply both sides by 12, what happened? Now, 12 right here, 4 right here cancel out. We have 3 left. Okay, so it could be, I'm going to multiply 3 by 3s. So it could be 9s. Next one. 12 right here, 12 right here simplify 3. So this guy gone. This guy 4. So 4 I multiply this. So it could be negative 4s. Alright, now 12 multiplied by 10 is could be equal 120. Okay. 9s minus 4s it could be 5s equal 120. Alright, and this is one step equation. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. Alright. Five and 5 cancel out. S equal 24. And that is the answer. Okay, now let's move on to the third one. Alright, you see that? Negative 15 over 4 times parentheses. So you only look at the one outside parentheses, okay? So the one outside parentheses is negative 15 over 4 with denominator is 4. Denominator is 4. I multiply both sides by 4. Okay. Alright, so now I distribute this guy. 64, it could be 256 equal. Now, 4 times this. Okay. You only multiply by this one time. Okay. Don't multiply this guy. 4 and 4 right here cancel out. So you have negative 15 times 2s minus 2 over 3. Alright, so I'm done with this. Now next one, 4 times this guy. So 4 times this guy. 4 and 4 right here cancel out. So you have negative 11. Negative 11s left. Okay? Alright, so this one, I just write, remember variable sign on the left, constant sign on the right. So I just flip this one all the way around, okay? So I have negative 15 times 2s minus 2 over 3 minus 11s equal to 56. Okay? Now I distribute this guy. I distribute this. Okay, so when I distribute this, negative 15 times 2s is given negative 30s. Right, negative 15 times negative 2 over 3. 15 divided by 3, you have 5. Right, 5 left right here. 5 times 2 is going to be 10. Now negative, it should be positive, so it's positive 10. Right, minus 11s right here equal to 56. Right, alright. Alright, so negative 30s minus 11s, it should be negative 41s equal to 56. You subtract 10 both sides, so it could be 246, right? Alright, and then you need to divide both sides by negative 41, okay? Divide both sides by negative 41. Alright, so this guy cancel out. So s equal 6, right? Oh, s equal negative 6, sorry. Alright. Now, let's move on to the last problem. Alright, so you look at this one. You see that the denominator is 5, 3, and 3 right here. Don't look at the one inside parentheses. So you have LCM right here should be 15, right? 5 and 3 should be 15. Alright, so you multiply both sides by 15. 15. Alright. Alright, so 15 times 4 over 5 right here. 15 and 5 right here cancel out. You have 3 left. 3 times 4 it could be 12. So you have 12 times a minus 7 over 3. Alright, same thing. 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5 left right here. Alright, so 5 times negative 1 should be negative 5 times 4 over 3 a plus 1. Alright, now 15 and 3 right here cancel out. You have 5 left right here. 5 times negative 1 it should be negative 5. Next one, you distribute. Distribute this, distribute this, distribute this, distribute this. 12 times a, 12a. 12 times negative 7 over 3. 12 divided by 3 should be 4. 4 times negative 7 should be negative 28. Now, negative 5, this should be negative 4. Right? Negative 5 times negative 4 should be negative 20. So negative 20a, positive 20a over 3. Negative 5 times 1 should be negative 5 equal negative 5. Alright. Now next one. Denominator is right here 3, right? So I multiply both sides by 3. 3 times 12a it should be 36a. 3 times negative 28 should be negative 84. 3 and 3 right here cancel out, should be 28 left. Alright, 3 times negative 5 should be negative 15 equal 3 times negative 5 should be negative 15. Alright, now negative 15 both sides cancel out. 30 set A plus 28 should be 50 set A. Now negative 84, I add negative 84 both sides. Oh, so it should be 84 right here. Alright, divide both sides by 56 over 56. Divide the top and bottom by 28. So 84 divided by 28, it should be 3. 56 divided by 28 should be 2. Thank you for watching.